So in this MacBook tutorial, I am going to be showing you how to edit the text size on your MacBook. So once system settings is opened up, underneath general, go to accessibility, select that, then go to where it says vision and then press display. Once you're on this page, I want you to scroll down to where it says text right here, and under text size, it says set your preferred reading size for supported apps and system features. Go ahead and select custom if you want. Now, once you're on this page right here, you can go ahead and change this to larger or smaller, as well as which apps will be affected in this case. So if I were to go ahead and slide this bar to the right, it'll show you an example on what the text will look like here. So this is the most you can do. You can also make it smaller if you want as well, but I'm just going to leave it at default for this example. And like I mentioned before, you can also go down to here to where you want this text size to really display on. So you can play around with it this way. Once again, make it larger, make it smaller, do what you got to do. If it all looks good, go ahead and press done. And then you can proceed that way. So that is how you guys can edit the text size of your MacBook. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this helps.